Let's take a look at what goes into the 60-ton flour milling line. The whole system is split into 4 main parts: raw grain storage, cleaning, milling, flour storage, and packing. We are going to focus on cleaning and milling today, because that's where the real quality is. Let's start with cleaning. It removes impurities very thoroughly. We have a scourer, a planar rotary sieve, a destoner, a whizzer, a high-efficiency vibrating sieve, a vertical air duct, polish and peeling machine, and a dampener. They run one after another, very smooth flow. For dust control, there are 2 pass dust collectors in the cleaning section: clean, safe, and environmental friendly. Now the core part, milling. 6 ruler mills do the grinding, together with 2 purifiers, 2 bran brushes, 2 plansifters, and a full pneumatic conveying system. The separation is very fun, and here's the impressive part. For such a large milling workshop, dust is handled by just 1 post dust collector. It works very well. Finally, storage and packing. The flour goes through an inspection sieve first, then into 2 flour bins and 1 bran bin. Then 3 automatic packing machines take over. Weighing, sealing, filling, all in one continuous process. Low labor, high efficiency. 海运 grain machinery, the company that make grain machine with heart.